Alright, I don't know how this is going to work. I'm going to try and explain it. I'll try and show you some close-ups in a process. But so we have a counter pressure bottle filler, all stainless. Here's your filler wand. Here is your purge and blow off excess. So basically you have a three-way valve up here, beer, vacuum, and then I use this as CO2 and as the blow off. So beer fills, excess pressure goes through this and then is bled off there in the normal filling process. So I would start by inserting this lightly into the bottle, using the CO2, do a slight purge of the bottle. You can hear it off-gassing right now, maybe. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it down, close this valve, which is the CO2 feed right now, make sure the vacuum side is connected, pull a vacuum. Right now I'm under vacuum. Then what I'm going to do is the vacuum is coming from the fill wand on the bottom. I'm going to open this valve and now CO2 is replacing that headspace. So now it's filled with CO2. I'm going to do another purge and hold, or vacuum and hold. Vacuum, held. Purge with CO2. And what I can't show you, because it's stationary, is the CO2 is escaping through the vacuum pump. So I'm going to do one last purge. We're under vacuum. This will be the triple purge, third purge. Okay. So now what you would do is your bottle should be completely purged. And I'm just going to demonstrate it. I don't have it hooked up now. But what you'll do is you'll switch this valve. Now they're both off. Go over to beer side. And as you fill the beer, disconnect the CO2 and just start bleeding it off. Then slowly your bottle's going to fill. And you're going to do it all under vacuum, or all under pressure. And I'm just filling at serving pressure right now, which is right around 8 to 10 psi for me. So as it fills from the beer side, it'll come up to the top. I'll shut it off. I'll reconnect the CO2. I'll fill the head space that's left, this much, with CO2. Close it. Make sure this is closed. Pop off the top. Place the cap. And that should be a low oxygen bottle.